Hey guys, let's review this EBL battery. This one is 1.5 volts lithium ion rechargeable battery with micro USB input, 3300 milliampere. This is a box. It's like that. www.abl.com. And another side is this one, another 1.5 volts rechargeable battery. And this is the back. EBL specification type AA Helium battery. Voltage is 1.5 volts. Power is 3300 milliampere. Battery size 14 by 50 0.5 mm. Package is 4 battery and 1 USB cable inside. And this is a cautions: do not overcharge and over discharge battery. Please keep the charging processing under adults' attentions. Do not reserve the battery for charging, or it will be cause leak, fire hazards, and explosion. Do not charge or keep our batteries in high temperatures, moist and sunlight direct place. Do not charge our battery with other type of batteries such as NMH, NCD, alkaline, zinc, and etc. Do not charge our battery with battery of other brands and batteries different size. Do not mix new battery with half-use one while using, otherwise it may cause overcharging. Do not charge batteries in place where children's cold reach. Do not short circuit the batteries. It will damage battery for good. Do not disassemble or fire the batteries, or it may cause explosion. We provide 30 days worry-free money back and 1 year limited warranty. Any problems, please feel free to contact us. Service at eblmail.com. This is the website. Design in California, made in China. There's a backup package of this EBL. Let's open this. Inside the box with a case, battery case. This is a EBL. The sealed, never opened before. I buy this in Shopee, worth 1,100 for this 4 pieces battery. My 1,100 pesos. This is a cord. I need adapter, please. For 4 pin. Another is this one. Thank you. Smile. What's this? So, inside, we look inside of these EBL personal care since 1998. Your suggestion of both products and our service will be engaged to engage us to do better. How to share experience, dealing with your friends and families, write their own reviews, sharing on Facebook and Twitter. This one, decide these are sincerely friends and hassle-free support team members will be here for 24 hours, 7 days. They have a support team or details about new lunch items and unscheduled giveaways. Simply contact us. This contact is email, Facebook, websites. Another one is this one. EBL. User manual. Let's just look inside. Japanese character. Let's see. The first is an English version of this manual. Flag instructions. How to use this one. Use micro USB cable to charge batteries and unplug the cable after fully charged. Blue lights fully charged. To indicate blue lights if fully charged. Another is a Dutch. Fins. Oh, a lot of language here in this manual. French, Spanish, Italiano. I think this one is Japanese, Nihongo. That's all. Language. First is English. This side the box. Labels. Card, multi-card battery and cords. The box is this. Okay guys, that's it for this EBL battery 3300 1.5 volts. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell for my next video. Thank you.